Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today the topic of my essay is how I celebrated Eid Day. So let's start it. I celebrated Eid Day with full zeal and zest. I got up early in the morning on Eid Day. I took bath and offered Fajr prayer. Then I wore new dress of Eid. I went to mosques to say Eid prayer. I came back home and met Eid to all my family members. I took Eid from my grandparents. I enjoyed some sweet dishes in breakfast. I enjoyed delicious lunch like kebab, biryani, chicken kadai, etc. In the evening, we visited some parts of food points.